Alright, ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to be talking about an incident that happened last night. It's one of the most annoying things that really has happened to me while driving around on Doordash. So, this is the first time that I've literally caught someone doing it. The first time this happened, I was actually unsure if I dropped it off at the right apartment, but long story short, I received an email saying that I did not deliver a customer's order, and it really annoyed me because I know I delivered it to them, you know? I specifically looked at the house, I showed up, and fortunately, I have a app called Life 360 that tracks me completely. Literally, you can even see me walk up to this person's house. So, long story short, it was one of the orders where it says handed to customer, because otherwise normally you have to take a photo of the item on their thing or on their porch, you know? So this happened to me last night, and which is funny because I normally am vlogging everything that I do. And this is the one time, because it's at night and I don't film at night, you know? I was just doing one order that came from the gym. And it was okay, fortunately this is pretty simple because I was just leaving the gym, and there's only one order that I did. I was doing what I call casual dashing, where you just take an order on the way, and one of the most common things that I do is when I'm at the gym, I log in and I accept an order, or I wait to accept an order, and then I leave and I do that order on the way home. And fortunately for me, it was easy to prove because I live in a kind of a ranch area, and everyone's house is around an acre or so, except for this little group of houses. There's a small group of houses that has there's 8 on a street or something. But so it's one of those houses. I'm not gonna try to tell that rat out this person, because I don't know, it's really annoying though, you know? I get it, it's hard times and shit, but so long story short, I get this person's order. It's from Wingstop, which is funny because I'm eating Wingstop right now. Unhealthy, I know. Anyway, so I get this person's order. Wingstop is literally right next to the gym, which is essentially every time I get an order that comes from the gym, it's always from Wingstop, because Wingstop is literally next door to the gym. So I leave the gym, go to Wingstop, grab this person's order, and I drive over there. It's in this little it's a kind of a cul-de-sac. It's not really a cul-de-sac though. It's a small L-turn street. Anyway, so I drop it off. It says it says hand to customer, but I knock on the door. They don't answer. I don't normally wait more than I literally will, if I'm sitting there for more than 10 seconds, I'll count to another 10 seconds, and if they don't show up, I'm okay, maybe they meant to select deliver to leave at door or something, you know? So I didn't really think much of it because I've delivered 2,500 to 3,000 orders, and I've never had this problem except for one time. But I swear this one time might have been my fault, because it was an apartment complex and the numbers had it was A264 or A26. It might have been my fault, I'm not sure. But this one I was positive, because I looked at it, and then so when I received this email, I'm no way that happened. And for some reason the number was easy enough. It was the street address was 531, and I don't know, I'm not gonna tell you their street name because it's not that far from my house, but I just remembered the 531 because it's, odd numbers, 135, and it was easy enough for me to remember. And there's only one order that I did last night. So I drop it off, I leave, and then I get this email this morning, and it says that I didn't drop off the order, which is so annoying. So I go and I look at my app called Life 360. It's funny because my whole family has this app, and that's just basically so my mom and my brother and we can see where we are at all times. And I really do not give a shit if my mom knows that I'm at a bar or wherever I am. That I'm 30 years old, you know? I specifically have this app in case my phone ever gets stolen. I can go and find it no matter what, and you can see exactly where my phone went. So fortunately, this app is It's intricate enough to where you can zoom in. Sorry, I was literally trying to switch lanes and this guy's being a dickhead. So you can zoom in and you can literally see exactly where I've been to the foot. Like, you can literally see exactly where I've been. You can see that I walked up to someone's door. It's so exact. It's called Life 360. If you guys want to get it, it's a great app. I literally use it all the time, just to see where I, like, how far I've delivered and like where all these things. It tracks your phone exactly to GPS, and it's pretty much saved me because I was like, okay, I'm gonna just go on here, screen record this video, and it shows me literally, apparently DoorDash isn't able to see me walk up to their porch, which is kind of unfortunate because you would think that they'd be like, oh yeah, no, we actually can see him walk up to the porch, but apparently I guess this app is more intricate. It knows. So I screen record this video, I email it back to customer service, and they're like, okay, that is all we needed, and then I guess it's all good. But it was just something that really ticked me off, you know, because that's just people being, I guess maybe they're going through hard times or something, but that's messed up. And I always wondered if that was going to happen again, because it happened to me one time. Although the first time I didn't, like, I had the Life 360 app, but I was thinking, I was like, damn, I did like 10 orders that night. I was not able to like track it that easily. This one I was able to really break it down, and you can literally see me walk up to this person's house, drop it off, and that was it. You know, I'm sure DoorDash knows who I am. Fortunately, they've seen my YouTube channel and they sponsored videos before, so they know who I am. And I showed them the video of, not video, but screen recording of me. Like, look at how intricate this app is. You can literally see exactly all of the houses. You can see me walking up if I'm walking up to someone's door. So I would just suggest for all the DoorDashers out there to get the Life 360 app, because like the fact that you can literally like see everything you do. If this happens to someone else, like, they're not. One thing that I asked, I was like, can you give me their exact address? And the DoorDash customer service said, no, we can't give their address out. I'm like, okay, I get it, because then they think that I'm gonna go like hurt this person or something like that. But fortunately, it was for me, it was easy enough that I was like, well, actually, I only did one order and it was right there. It wasn't that far from my house. I'm a little ticked off because that person literally lives like probably about a half mile from my house or so, and it's one of the only neighbors that I have. Anyway, so that's all I got to say today. So I would just, if I was you guys and you're door dashing, get the Life 360 app, because it, who knows, I could have gotten fired again. They fired me before, but I could have gotten fired again for something stupid that I did not do. And like, maybe if I was a DoorDasher that had only like, let's say like 100 orders or something like that, I feel like DoorDash might have maybe like taken down my account again and deplatformed me, because that would have sucked, you know. They deplatformed me one time, but they never actually did though. They told me that they were going to, and then I like, it's like, hey, this is a ticket that's about to come off my record, blah blah blah, like, it's 5 years ago, I've already been working for you guys for a long time. And then they were like, okay, they let me stay on the thing. But anyway, so I love door dashing. Just, this is the one thing, this pissed me off, you know. And fortunately for me, it was easy to track down because of this app, Life 360. And again, this is not an ad for Life 360. I'm definitely not advertising for any sort of Life 360 app or anything. I just happen to have it, and that's just because my mom asked me to have it, and it's because she likes stalking me, you know. Anyway, so I'm just kidding, Mom. You're not a stalker if you're watching this video. All right. Anyways, we'll see you guys in the next one. I love you, Mom. Subscribe if you guys haven't, and please give this video a like if you enjoy this content at all, or if you're annoyed, if you're as annoyed with these customers as I am that do this stuff, you know, just smash the like button. Anyways, we'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.